2014 will be an exciting and interesting year in the field of employment law, principally for three reasons. The first being the advent of the whistleblowing legislation, the second being the prospect of collective bargaining, and finally the issue of injunctions, which we've seen quite a lot of this year and which we expect to continue next year. The Protected Disclosures Bill 2013, otherwise known as the whistleblowing legislation, will be enacted shortly. It will be a game changer for both public and private sector employers, and all are advised to have robust whistleblowing policies in place. The bill, as it currently stands, provides draconian penalties for employers in circumstances where they penalise an employee for whistleblowing. It also provides the Circuit Court with the ability to grant interim relief in circumstances where employees have a significant delay between the allegation of whistleblowing and their case being heard before an employment appeals tribunal. We expect to see a resurgence in collective bargaining during 2014. This is on the back of the Ryanair decision in 2007, which dealt collective bargaining a significant blow. It will not mean trade union representation as being mandatory, but it will mean, we think, collective bargaining being introduced into workplaces which would otherwise be non-unionised. There has been a significant upsurge in injunctions over the previous 12 months, and we would expect to see that trend continue during 2014. Injunctions can be taken for all sorts of reasons, and we've seen them taken by employers to restrain employees from using confidential information, and also obviously by employees to restrain disciplinary processes or terminations themselves. While the usual hurdles to obtain an employment injunction will continue to apply, the courts have refined and teased out the concepts, particularly in the area of employment law. The result of this is that the outcome of an employment injunction application is often unpredictable. While there will be no doubt other issues in 2014, we see these three areas as key.